Y'all get to see an hour. I think the telecast is for an hour, but what
Hmm.
happens in the rest of the 23 hours is what I'm talking about. I have major trust issues when it comes to Nikki because I just cannot trust her. She's made that very clear with her last effort, and the last time that she said something so derogatory and cheap. It was sort of dirty and very, very dirty and cheap, I feel. Yeah, it was good while it lasted in the house, but I don't think there'll be anything outside of the house anymore from my side for Nikki. तो मैंने शार्दुल को बोल दिया कि यार मेरे को तेरी फेस ही अजीब लगी, तो मैंने तुझे नॉमिनेट कर दिया. And he
Hmm.
took it in a very, very nice and sporting manner. We were laughing about it, and then we became very good friends in the house.
In real life.
Still taking my time to, absorb things. I'm still
Huh.
in the Big Boss, the routine that was set for us. So I'm
Yeah.
going to take time to get, back on track. But yeah, it feels good to be back in the real world. Yeah.
Yeah. But people say कि बड़ा crazy होता है Big Boss के घर में जाना. Like it's a very different world. Really, is it so? Or जो आपके pre-existing notions थे?
It's an entirely different world, and it's very, very far from what a normal real, like it's very far from real life,
Hmm.
because that house, every minute you spend in that house is a minute that you have to fight for. And it's got
Yeah.
another level of stress happening in the house. There's a lot of stress, and there's a lot of stuff that I did not expect because I'm a viewer, but I got to experience
Hmm.
those things as a contestant. It was amazing. Definitely
Like
once in a
what?
lifetime kind of an experience. I wish I could say those things on camera, but I cannot. Certain things,
Oh.
like y'all get to see an hour. I think the telecast is for an hour, but what
Hmm.
happens in the rest of the 23 hours is what I'm talking about. And the stress levels inside the house are always here, and trigger points just like that, like things that you probably wouldn't notice in normal life.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a one of a kind journey for me, definitely. I learned
Right.
a lot of. Um, it was good. It was good.
Yeah. So आपका eviction, obviously we'll talk about कि आप पर कैसे उसका effect हुआ, but we already saw कि उसका effect Nikki पर कैसे हुआ. Like the minute you left, she
Yeah.
was breaking down. And
Yeah.
what do you have to say now that you see that reaction?
Um, there were a lot of moments. I've been a very, very good friend, to Nikki. She's been a very good friend to me. We were very close in the beginning, and then sort of things sort of went away.
Yeah.
Um, I have major trust issues when it comes to Nikki because I just cannot trust her. She's made that very clear with her last, effort, and the last time that she said something so derogatory and cheap. It was sort of dirty and very, very dirty and cheap, I feel. The
Hmm.
allegations that were put on me, and they were baseless. And I sort of it was sort of a wake up call for me because I realized that if anybody can say such you know drastic, ugly and ghastly things on national television just for
Hmm.
a few minutes of footage or whatever it was that she was trying to achieve, then
Right.
I'd rather stay away from such a person because they are not only a threat to me, but they are a
Yeah.
threat to my family, to my career, to my image. And that's something I've really, really worked hard upon to, make. And whatever I am today, I cannot just gamble that away because I made a mistake and I trusted the wrong person again.
Right.
So I would say that I wasn't there in the house, so I don't know how how authentic or how real her feelings were. But definitely, I did see the footage. I did see the videos regarding where she was crying and stuff. Um, I think it's one of those moments where you scream, "Sher aaya, sher aaya." People believe you for the first time. They believe you for the second time, but the third time when the actual thing happens, I don't think
Yeah.
people can trust you again. So I
Yeah.
think it's one of those things, incidents for me at least. And
Yeah.
yeah, it was good while it lasted in the house, but I don't think there'll be anything outside of the house anymore from my side for Nikki.
Right. Is there anybody from the house जिसके लिए you have walked away? with respect, even when you were not probably seeing eye to eye, or you could not like bond with them as much as you bonded with Nikki? कोई ऐसा इंसान है जिसके लिए रिस्पेक्ट है या जिससे आप रियल लाइफ में कनेक्टेड रहना चाहेंगे?
Um, तीन लोग हैं.
Hmm.
The first one I've already connected with, and we've already started talking and chilling, and that's Shardul.
Okay.
I really love Shardul. He was a superb human being. I think he was one of the few people I could relate to very, very personally, because we shared a lot of similar morals and ethics, and the kind of stuff that personalities made. I think शार्दुल के साथ मेरी बहुत अच्छी दोस्ती बहुत शॉर्ट टाइम में इसलिए हुई क्योंकि हमारे वैल्यूज एंड एथिक्स काफी सिमिलर थे. ही वुड नेवर गो बियॉन्ड अ सर्टेन लेवल to prove his point, or stoop down to a level that was so low कि सामने वाले को disrespect हो and all. And I think I connected with him on a very very personal level. And
Yeah.
शार्दुल के साथ तो already मैंने बातचीत करना start कर दिया. We are planning a lot of new stuff for you guys. So yeah, the first person I think I would meet outside the house, I've already actually started having a word with Shardul. It's Shardul Pandit, because I connected with him from the day, like first day. In fact, I told him I found him to be so honest that I told him, we had this whole nomination thing, wildcards को nominate करना before they entered the house. तो मैंने शार्दुल को बोल दिया कि यार मेरे को तेरी फेस ही अजीब लगी तो मैंने तुझे nominate कर दिया. And he
Hmm.
took it in a very very nice and sporting manner. We were laughing about it, and then we became very good friends in the house. So Shardul is one of those people I will definitely be in touch with outside the
Right.
house. Apart from Shardul, I think Ejaz Bhai and Pavitra would be the two names I would take, because I
Right.
had a good connection with them as well on a humanitarian level, not just the
Right.
game. And I think these three names are the people that I would actually like to stay in touch with outside the house.
Right. You spoke about Ajas and Punya, Pavitra, and इन दोनों के बारे में बहुत सारी बातें आ रही हैं, and everybody is speculating कि क्या attraction है, नहीं है, what's going on. As an insider, somebody जो घर के अंदर था, आपको क्या लगता है? What's going on?
Trust me, we are, I think, ये एक टॉपिक है जिसपे हम सब अग्री कर सकते हैं कि घर वालों की और बाहर वालों की एक ही व्यू पॉइंट है, एंड दैट इज कंफ्यूजन. अब मैं
Hmm.
आपको इसका answer दूंगा कि
Hmm.
क्यों हमें इतना कंफ्यूजन है. First, it was PP. I call her PP. I mean, it's Pavitra Punia. So I'm just going to be using PP because घर में भी मैंने उनको एक नाम दे दिया, and सब उनको वही नाम से बुलाने लगे. So
Right.
first, it was PP who liked Ajaz bhai, and she was very gaga over him. And
हाँ.
जब Ajaz bhai ने ये फीलिंग को रिस्पॉन्स फीलिंग पे रिस्पॉन्स देना शुरू किया, I think PP backed out. Yeah, she
Yeah.
just took a turn and she was like, no, you're my friend and stuff like that. She friend zoned him for a very very long time. It was
Yeah.
hurtful to us because Ijaz bhai was actually, he had actually let his guards down and he was trying to, make a connection, but PP sort of friend zoned him. And then again, Pavitra came from the front, and they had this very cozy time. They had this very close time wherein that captaincy task ke dauran jo dancing humko karna pada and all. We got to see
Right.
a very short-lived moment where they were on the same page, which is romance.
Hmm.
And uske baad again things went south. So before coming out of the house, what I observed, which I must make clear to the viewers, because I was as confused as you guys. Finally, Ejaz bhai and Pavitra एक same page पर आके रुके, and that is दोस्ती. And I think
Hmm.
अगर इस पर वो लोग starting से रहते, उनका game बहुत strong होता, and I hope that they can maintain this, because I think together they are phenomenal as two game
Yeah.
players. And if they bond together and play their game together, like everybody else is playing their games, like this couple thing is there in the house always. So I
Yeah.
think if they form an alliance and play together, I think I see both of them in the finals, because they are both too damn smart. Yeah.
Yeah, you said a very good point कि किस तरह से especially इस season में ये couple like एक से बढ़कर दो जो strategy चल रही है that's really working in the favor. Who would you say is up against Ejaz and Pavitra really strongly? That
I
two
don't think
car team.
anybody in the house can compete with those two. If they
Hmm.
form an alliance, I think
Yeah.
Ejaz bhai and Pavitra से deadly couple कोई है नहीं उस घर में, because जितना दिमाग दोनों का चलता है. I mean, their gameplays जमीन आसमान का फर्क है दोनों के gameplay में, because
Hmm.
Pavitra knows how to make connections at the right time, and she knows how to discard those connections at the right time, which is a very important part of the game. And Ejaz bhai ka, I think his his gameplay is so confusing to
Yeah.
the viewers and to the audience and to the housemates. I think that is his USP. Kyuki
Yeah.
he exactly knows what he has to do, but he keeps this air of confusion around him so that people cannot guess his next move. And together,
Right.
if Pavitra and Ijaz Bhai play, I think it's a very, very lethal combination. I don't think any couple can stand a chance against them if they get together on the same page.
Right.